Hey guys, welcome to another S&B inspired video by the Crypto Lair. Now, if you guys are new, please check out the description, link to the most exclusive Discord available, free from scams, free from bullshits, and free from recycled content and recycled strategies that are sold at premium prices, etc., like 99.9% of these other channels. Now, that's not to say that these other channels aren't good, but a lot of them are selling either scam material or just recycled generic TA that you can just find online for free. And this is why we made the crypto layer, and this is why scammers hate us. This is why a lot of the crypto salesmen out there dislike us, because we're revealing the secrets and we're selling a unique method that is free from all those head twisting, mind twisting information. See, to learn TA, guys, what they don't tell you, it's a very hard task to do it properly. And yes, you can use standard support, resistance, etc. And honestly, you'd probably be better off using that than using all these hundreds different indicators out there. Okay, this is the truth, and this is coming from someone that owns this Discord and has had many members join the SMB and admitted that it is the missing key to their trading. Some of these members have paid up to $50,000 total and lost $50,000 total from other scam groups and recycled content, and they lost hope and they wanted a real channel, a real group, a real community. Okay, we're free from scams, free from passive income scams and hypes and all this bullshit that doesn't exist, guys. There's no shortcut. What are you guys looking for shortcuts? There is no shortcut. And a lot of people talk. A lot of people talk too much. They're like, I'm going to do this one day. I'm going to learn that one day. I'm going to find a good method one day. When are you going to take action? My question. You guys have to understand that we built this up from the ground. Me, myself, and Bear. Me, myself, and I. Not really. Me, Bear, myself, Bear, and Jay built this up with the help of a few other members, with that added, extra content and added extra indicators, etc., for us to use, and told us where to find premium indicators that people are charging up to $2,000 for. You get that for free with the SMB layer. No copyright. It's just a remade version, guys. And a lot of these indicators people are selling for $1,000, 2,000, and saying it's the best indicator, etc. Honestly, that's just bullshit, and that's a rip-off of other indicators that they've just ripped off a core of and made it into their own for money. A lot of these guys aren't real traders, but they'll hype it up. Okay, they'll hype it up. They'll sell you the Lambo dreams and the 100x dreams, etc. Guys, honestly, no legitimate trader trades with 100x, or at least promotes 100x. Can you trade with 100x? Of course. But you have to have a solid plan. You can't just be guessworking. You see, even with the S&B entries, 100x is still risky, and that's the truth. I'm not selling you guys any bullshit. We're upfront, okay? We tell you the truth up front. You join S&B, as we can see, we got two different packages. We got a standard S&B package, which is 0.033 Bitcoin, and we got a premium package, which is 0.08. Now, originally we were trying to make S&B just one package and sell it for about 0.08, 0.09, 0.1. But instead, I had to talk to the admins. I said, look, honestly, it's not going to work like that, because there's people out there that are working on a budget. They want to learn something that's affordable and they want quality. So I said, how about we offer two premium packages? We offer the standard S&B package for 0.033 Bitcoin. And what you get with that, let's go into the group. You get the S&B tutorials channel. So if you're new, check that out. We have a lot of S&B tutorial screenshots, videos, etc. You get the signals. You get the Cipher Beast. Cipher Beast is a great channel that has all kinds of extra indicators, some charging up to $2,000, but you get that for free. Remember, guys, free. Nothing extra in the S&B. Everything S&B related, S&B unique methods, etc., you get access to. The only difference between the S&B and the premium package is the premium package focuses a bit more on Forex, bonus material such as TA. We are introducing some TA, etc., but we're going to keep it nice and simple, and we're not going to sell all these indicators and all these things that are mind twist you, and then you're just going to quit trading. We're going to keep it nice and simple: support, resistance, trend lines, descending trend lines, descending triangles, etc., etc., etc. Okay, we're just going to keep it nice and simple, what works and what doesn't. We're also going to talk about the flaws. So we're also going to work on a PDF file or a document that's going to be about wallet management, etc. in trading, and also going to have a few unique other methods to trade, such as Forex. Now, back to the rooms. So you get SMB tutorials, you get Signals, Cypher Beast, which is a really good channel. Check it out, guys. Definitely, if you're an SMB member, you haven't checked it out. Most, if not all, have by now, but I have to say it in case. Forex only room, you get access to that in SMB. You get access to Optimus only room, which is not very active. I'll probably delete this and make it a different channel eventually. This Optimus was a Forex strategy that we've now developed onto a different strategy that works a bit better. But Optimus still works. There's information in there. Hidden gems, that's for hidden gems for a lot of coins. Now, if we go to things, let's go to this coin. I've called coins like this in my group. I called TAP at 2 cents. It went up to 26 cents, almost 27 cents. I called Prometheus. I call it Prometheus because it's easier, and the movie Alien. I called this at when it came out, and I was calling it again to buy at around 18, 19 cents. It dipped down to 12. Could have picked more up. Boom. $1.40, massive profits. I also called a few other coins. I can't even remember. I called a few other coins, but I cannot quite remember which ones they were. Like I said, there's a lot of different things. And usually I message that. Sometimes I put that in Crypto Talk, but I do generally put any hidden gems or investments that I think that are good. Personally, it's just not my not financial advice. It's just my opinion. Of course, this is just what I'm doing. Now, live trade room, which is the best room, 24/7 help from all the members as long as people are online. S&B video add-ons, so all the S&B video add-ons, etc. Exclusive access, which is admins only. Siphon Bear's Lair, admins only. Camgron's programming, so Camgron is our programmer. He makes indicators, so if you guys have an idea, check it out. Also, we have our S&B auto indicator, which you get access to in the trading view. So if you guys want to check that out, make sure you check it out. You get S&B auto indicator, and it does all the entries for you on whatever coin, whatever pair, whatever currency, or whatever you're using it on. It shows you the entry points, so you don't need to manually do it yourself. Though you can manually do it yourself. That's what S&B was based off. Any chart, you can do it yourself within 30 seconds, even a beginner. And that's the best thing about S&B. 2 out of 10 difficulty, guys. Look at all these members here. Everyone in purple is a paid member. Everyone in purple loves this content. You also get access to the Twitter whale alerts, which is just useful, really helpful. Real results. So check this out. A little win I had earlier. The boys are killing it. Now, this is a special, this is part of the premium package. This is what you're going to get. Big Bear Crypto and the admins are focusing on developing a very unique method. Okay, this is a Forex method. Now, I know a little bit about it, but Bear's keeping a little bit secret for now. He's going to release it to the premium members, etc. Now, if you guys check this out, he's making 550% on this. So he's obviously still testing it. I spoke to him earlier, a couple of hours ago, and he said he is still testing, still has some testing to do, but so far, so damn good. But he's trying to find out what kind of time frames it works on and what kind of best entry points, etc. So he makes sure that, or we make sure that everything is set in stone, and we test it before we release it. So if you check it out, another 536%, 407%, 434%, 206%, 131%, bunch of other good stuff here. So let's keep checking it out. Now, he was on a killing spree. He is just going crazy. 474%, 300%, etc. You guys know the drill. You can read it yourself. Click on these. Unbelievable. So that's the premium unique method, and that is why it's an extra cost, because it's being very successful. Now, is that to say that S&B is not as good? Of course not. S&B is a total different waters, okay? So you got the crocodile in the lake, which is the Forex strategy, and then you got the freaking kraken in the waters, and that's the S&B, okay? So you guys got to make sure that you choose what you want to trade with. You trade with S&B or the unique method, or you can trade with both. And that is why we're offering the premium package for 0.08. Honestly, still a discount, and the bonus material is going to be worth it. Now, let's go back to what else you get. Like I said, auto indicators, all these rooms, you get 24/7 help, free indicator on free indicators that cost up $2,000+. You get the S&B auto indicator, which does all the matches for you, etc., for whatever coin, all the entry points, and you also get access to any other S&B related topics. Okay, so if we were to release any updates to S&B or another technique S&B related, you will always get that part of 0.033 Bitcoin. The only difference is you won't get the unique Forex method and you won't get the additional little bonuses. But anything S&B related, you will get. Okay, so check out the method testimonial, guys. New guy Crypto Zappy, he joined about a month ago, I believe. Not even a month ago. And at first he was struggling, and some people struggle. Only like 1 out of 10 struggle with S&B, and that's fair enough. Like, but everyone learns differently, and I taught him a different way how to trade S&B with the LL. Now the LL stands for Lazy Lion, and this is the best part. LL Lazy Lion is not a strategy; it's an add-on to the strategy, if that makes sense. So it's a technique in the strategy. So S&B is the prime strategy, and then you have the LL, which is just a little add-on. Now, this is what you do. You manually set up your entry points, or you do the auto indicator on whatever coin. Let's say you want to trade Ethereum. So you check entry points, and then you set limit orders, which are Lazy Lion, carefully at certain entry points. Now that's not to go like one there, one there, one there, one there, one there. It's you carefully use it, wallet management, etc., that we teach in the videos, and carefully spaced out so that you don't get liquidated. You're using a proper leverage, and honestly, 9 out of 10 times, once that fills that entry, you'll be in profit. Now, for the small chance of a manipulated dump, which has happened to me, I've suffered a $1,500 dump on Bitcoin months ago when it dumped, and I was in a trade. But through LL, S&B, and wallet management, I was able to bring that massive loss up into a small loss and then profit or even. That's how the LL works. We don't get liquidated. All those people getting liquidated, we don't do that. I've got a video on that. That's for another day. That's for private S&B members. Now, of course, that's included, that video. So honestly, guys, what are you waiting for? Take action. What are people standing on the sidelines? And I think they're looking for the perfect package. Honestly, this is the closest perfect package you will get, okay? Now, this is just an idea of S&B. These are the halvenings also. So if we look at the halvening or halving, people call it both different things. As we can expect to see, we are expecting the halvening around May area, okay? So I honestly think we're going to push a bit above. We will have a dip at some point, and then we'll push above. And if you look at the past from July to July, it breaks the all-time high easily. Within a year, it breaks the all-time high. So within a year, we can maybe expect to get a $40,000 Bitcoin plus. But honestly, I think we're going to see something like $100,000 Bitcoin to 250,000 plus. But hey, like, you never know. I'm into more so altcoins because there was a lot of altcoins out there, and Bitcoin maximalists are pretty much pushing their Bitcoin wallets on you. There's a lot of other coins that'll do 10 times, 100x, 1000x next bull run. I'm pretty certain of it. Not financial advice, but anyway, guys, that's a little example of about S&B and what you get, etc. Make sure if you're keen, come and join. If you're trading Forex, come and join. If you're trading crypto, come and join. Exclusive, awesome packages.